Hello and welcome everyone. Today we're going to discuss an incredibly cool topic in web development that's revolutionized how we think about real-time communication, that is WebSockets. If you've ever used a chat app, played an online multiplayer game, or watched live sports updates on your phone, there's a good chance WebSockets were working behind the scenes. Now, you might be wondering, what are WebSockets and why are they such a big deal? Well, buckle up, because I'm going to walk you through what they are, why they matter, and how they fit into the world of modern web technologies. Imagine you're having a conversation with a friend over the phone. You both can talk freely, listen, and respond instantly without hanging up and redialing for every single sentence. That's kind of how WebSockets work. WebSockets are a communication protocol that creates a two-way, real-time connection between a client like your web browser and a server. Unlike traditional methods where the client has to keep asking the server for updates like saying, "Hey, is there anything new?" WebSockets allow both sides to send and receive messages instantly. It's like an open hotline where the conversation flows smoothly without interruptions. To appreciate WebSockets, let's rewind a bit and talk about the old school way of doing things. Before WebSockets, most web applications relied on something called HTTP. HTTP is a request response protocol, which basically means the client asks for something and the server responds. Once that's done, the connection is closed. This works fine for static websites, but it's not great for real time applications. Let's say you're on a stock trading platform and you want live updates about stock prices. Using HTTP, your browser would have to keep sending requests like any new updates over and over again. This is called polling and it's inefficient, slow, and a total resource hog. Then came long polling, which is a bit better. Instead of constantly making requests, the client makes one request and waits until the server has something to send. But it's still not perfect, there's a delay, and it's not as seamless as you'd want for truly real time applications. Enter WebSockets. They solve this by keeping a single connection open between the client and the server, allowing data to flow both ways instantly. No more repeated requests, no more delays, just smooth, real time communication. So, how does this magic happen? Here's a simple breakdown. First is handshake. It all starts with a handshake, and no, not the literal kind. The client sends a special HTTP request to the server saying, "Hey, can we switch this connection to WebSocket mode?" If the server agrees, it responds with a confirmation and voila, the WebSocket connection is established. Second is persistent connection. Unlike HTTP, where the connection closes after each request, WebSockets keep the connection open. It's like keeping the phone line open during a call, so you can exchange messages anytime without redialing. Third is two-way communication. Once the connection is live, both the client and the server can send messages to each other whenever they want. The server can push updates to the client instantly, and the client can respond without waiting for a new request. Let's talk about the benefits because WebSockets aren't just another shiny tech buzzword, they're a game changer for a lot of applications. First is real time updates. Whether it's chat messages, live sports scores, or stock prices, WebSockets make real time updates super smooth. No lag, no delays, just instant data when you need it. Second is efficiency. Since these WebSockets maintain a single connection, they're way more efficient than traditional polling or long polling. This means less network overhead and better performance. Third is scalability. Because they're so efficient, WebSockets make it easier to scale real time applications to handle thousands or even millions of users simultaneously. Fourth is versatility. WebSockets aren't just for chat apps. They're used in online gaming, collaborative tools like Google Docs, IoT Internet of Things devices, and even financial trading platforms. Basically, anywhere you need instant communication, WebSockets shine. Now, let's look at where WebSockets are used in the real world. These examples will give you a clearer idea of their power. First is chat applications. Think WhatsApp Web or Facebook Messenger. Messages appear instantly because the server can send updates to the client the moment they arrive. Second is online gaming. In multiplayer games, players interact in real time. WebSockets ensure that every move, attack, or chat message is sent and received instantly. Third is live updates. Imagine you're watching a cricket match online and the score updates in real time. That's WebSockets at work. Fourth is collaborative tools. Apps like Google Docs allow multiple users to edit a document simultaneously. WebSockets make sure everyone's changes are synced in real time. Fifth is IO devices. Smart home devices often rely on WebSockets to communicate with your phone or control systems in real time. You might be thinking, are WebSockets the only way to do real time communication? Not quite. There are other methods like servers and events and HTTP by 2, but WebSockets have some clear advantages. First is bidirectional communication. Unlike SSE, which only allows the server to send messages to the client, WebSockets allow two-way communication. Second is low latency. WebSockets are faster and have lower latency than HTTP based methods. Third is flexibility. WebSockets can handle a wide variety of real time use cases, making them more versatile. Of course, no technology is perfect, and WebSockets come with their own set of challenges. First is complexity. Implementing WebSockets can be a bit tricky, especially if you're new to real time communication. Second is resource management. Since WebSockets keep connections open, they can consume a lot of resources on the server if not managed properly. Third is firewall issues. Some firewalls or proxies might block WebSocket connections, so you'll need to account for that. Fourth is compatibility. While most modern browsers support WebSockets, you might run into issues with older ones. So there you have it, WebSockets in a nutshell. They're an incredibly powerful tool for building real-time web applications, offering fast, efficient, and seamless communication between clients and servers. Whether you're working on a chat app, an online game, or anything else that needs instant updates, WebSockets are a technology worth exploring. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts.